Rope leather paracord bracelet. The fastest, easiest and the simplest paracord bracelet yet. So if you want to learn how to make this unique paracord bracelet, stay tuned cause tutorial is right around the corner. Enjoy! Hello everyone and welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord channel. My name is Ale and for today's project we're gonna need this Camo Paracord, total length 6 feet or 2 meters in the metric measurements. Before we start, please on the end of this tutorial, if you like, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you will be updated for all new videos we post on our channel. That being said, we can continue. So take the end of these cords, find the center like this, and then simply make the loop. Let me just zoom a bit. Okay, and we're gonna take the right strand and gonna create the loop to the back or backhand loop as you wish, and then we're gonna create a loop from the for the front side or the front hand loop like this one, and we're gonna now take the left strand as you can see, and we're gonna make it from the back to the loop on the right side like this here, and with this left strand we're gonna make it on top and through the loop on this left side here. Now pull it to make it tight. So we create our loop. Now we're gonna take it, and the length of the next weave or knot will be our finger, index finger. So here, as you can see, I'm gonna take and pinch it out, make the loop for the right strand here, backhand loop, and for the left one like this, and now on the back or from the back through the loop here on the right side, and from the back to the top and to the loop on the left side. Pull it, tighten it up, and as you can see, we finished our first weave. Now we're gonna continue with the second one. So take the index finger and measure. Now pinch it here and repeat the process. And now when you are almost on the end of the bracelet, take the bracelet and measure it on your wrist. So like this. As you can see, I almost reached the end. Now I'm gonna left just to do one more knot or a weave, and then to cut it off and melt it down. So here I'm gonna create the backhand knot or loop to the right side, and on the left side also, like this. As you can see, guys, this is the fastest and easiest paracord bracelet you can make, and you can carry with you almost 2 meters of the paracord or 6 feet. I'm gonna left with around something under the half meter or 50 centimeters in the metric measurement, or something about 20 inches of excess of a cord. So have that in mind when you measuring the paracord you're gonna need. Now let me just recheck one more time. Yes, this will be enough. So now cut it off and melt it down. Before that, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we post a new video. So we reached the end of our today's project. I hope you like it. Until the next time, wishing you just best. Stay safe, be well. Dale signing out. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.